channel I Spy.
My little eyes. This is Ayushi.
This is Priya.
And this is our first ever YouTube video on our channel. And we're very excited. You can see us from
We're really excited. We recently completed Gossip Girl.
and we are in love with it. And when I say love, absolute love.
Immense love. The friendship Serena and Blair share is it's wonderful because they have these huge intense battles, okay, and they always find a way to get back, like to get together again, and it's amazing. And I don't understand how we don't apply this in our real lives.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
there was this scene where Blair was leaving the country and she was going to France, and Serena chased her down and told her, if this is your shit, we're going through this together. I'll be with you. And
In the face,
I know. And it's just so good to see that how they fight so much and they're always back together.
It's
like
amazing.
the fights are on one side and the friendship is on the other side.
Correct, and that's what we would like to inculcate in our lives. So let's just take a moment here and think about all the friendships that's gone wrong
Yeah.
and have never come back.
Exactly.
Like, okay, we want to share a personal experience. This wasn't the case a year ago.
We weren't exactly friends back then, but
Not at all.
not at all. Not even exactly friends.
Like we were fake friends.
Fake friends.
And for formalities and all, we used to hang out, But somewhere in those formalities, we had this connection. We both know that it was there,
Yeah.
but we never did anything about
There
it.
were issues about the rumors. Some guy told me something about her.
Some chick told me something about her, and we were just really.
Who's the chick?
I'll tell you.
Okay.
So, but there was this misunderstanding which was happening between us, and that caused us. It caused such a huge layer of negativity.
Exactly. And now we're such great friends. And
Yes.
that's not
We're
because.
closer than ever.
Yeah, because I know, and because we started traveling together, we go to the same
College, yeah.
And there was this one day when we were returning home, and
And there was a lot of traffic, so we started talking, and one thing led to another, and we told each other everything. Like we put everything on the table.
exactly, and that's been a great confrontation
Yeah, it was
experience.
such an amazing
And
experience, such a
if
pure
we,
experience.
yeah, and if we apply this to every friendship of ours, which is going
We could-
through problems right now,
We
I
could
think
change it like this.
like this.
Correct, like yo. And we talked about everything, and then there was no issue.
No issues. So if you have a friend like that whom you're friends with, but you're fake on the inside and trying to be good and
Just-
sweet
yeah.
and sugary on the outside, don't do that. It doesn't make
I
sense.
was just really lucky that we got in the same college, or
Exactly.
else we
Otherwise-
would have just not
Yeah,
done
we
anything
just-
about
we,
it.
We would have just hated each other for the rest of our life for no reason.
No reason at all.
So if
Please
you have
see
a
to
friend
it
like
that you're not
please
losing
do that.
someone.
Exactly.
Someone so amazing.
I love your jokes, baby.
So love is the best kind of love there is.
Yeah, exactly.
We're really judgmental, okay?
Very.
We're really, and we have this. We like to say that we have opinions about people, but the clear, dead fact is that we're judgmental, and we're really good at it.
Very good at
we're
it.
not proud of it, but we're good at it.
And we know that every other girl is also judgmental. So don't you
Even a
try
guy,
to
man.
don't you try to hide behind that screen.
Screen, of course.
Did you say cream?
Screen.
Don't lie about not being judgmental because everybody is.
Exactly. You're judgmental deep down. So, being aware that you're judgmental and making those comments is a different thing.
We own up to it.
Exactly. Like being completely just mean about it and just commenting about stuff and not giving a shit about it is bad.
And,
It's completely spiteful.
We bitch about people whom we don't even know, random people.
Yes.
Every
And
girl does it. come on.
Everybody does that.
So we're not really proud of it, obviously, but
yeah, and I think we should change it.
we should change it. Exactly.
Like everybody's promoting girl love over here. Superwoman's video. It's amazing how she's promoting girl love, and I really think we all should do that. And telling what the problem in our generation is, by thinking that appreciating someone else's work or themselves is degrading your own
We
self.
have a hard time appreciating others, a very hard time, and I think at least we both have improved a lot from school life to college life.
Exactly.
We've become less judgmental. We appreciate people a bit more,
Yeah.
and believe me, it's a great feeling. That's a great feeling.
Yeah, like
You'll make the other person feel great about
So
themselves,
great.
and you will feel good about yourself that I'm a good person. Come
like
on.
okay, just you know, go up to them and just tell them, Spriya, I like your top. I really do.
Thanks.
And you know what? She'll have a smile which goes from ear to ear the whole day. And then she'll click selfies in that top and upload it everywhere. And you know, she'll really feel good about herself.
Exactly.
And you know, you might have seen this everywhere on Tumblr and everything. Like if you go and tell someone that, oh, I don't like your top, or I don't like your smile, or I don't like the way you laugh, they're gonna think about it every single time they do the same activity. And
So the
that's
way
really-
hate affects you, love, spreading
Should-
love,
yeah.
should also impact in the same way. In fact, impact more.
Correct.
So we
Very
are also
true.
promoting girl love because we love each other. We love all the other girls.
Where's my heart?
Sorry, we love all the other girls out
Yeah,
there.
when you're walking down and you just see someone and you really like something about them, just go and tell them. Tell them that.
And that's the thing about talking, complimenting, or communication.
Yeah,
Communication is this huge factor. It's
affecting everything.
it's positive.
And
The impacts can be positive and negative. So
it's mainly positive because if you're having some issue and if you don't talk it out, you're gonna suffer for the rest of the
So
life.
the thing is that I prefer to talk it out in person. But on the other hand, she prefers texting or via text.
Okay. I'll tell you why.
WhatsApping, yeah.
Okay, so major people would support her, but there's a minority of me. Okay, like back me up here, guys. I think that I'm not strong enough to confront somebody face to face, and I think that firstly, if I'm having a fight with you, I really care about you. Okay, so if I talk to you and if you say something which makes sense, Ittusa makes sense, okay, I'm gonna melt and I'm gonna just agree with you, and I'm just gonna say okay, fine, we'll do it your way, and I'm not gonna put my points out there because I'm thinking it'll hurt you, or maybe it's not right, or just I'm not gonna say it. And when I go home and I'll be thinking, oh shit, I should have said that.
Yeah, so this is the problem with some people. They can't really communicate face to face.
So that's why I think texting is better. Like at least I can voice out all of my opinions without them interfering, and that's just it.
And according to me, I think face-to-face communication is way better because at least you're putting out all your points, you're confronting them face-to-face, because our experience was the same. We had a
Yeah,
face-to-face confrontation, and I think it worked out so well.
Yeah, it did.
And which is why I believe in face-to-face confrontation. So we really need your opinion. So please tell us.
What is your
What is
communicating
your style?
style?
How do you communicate with your friends? How do you solve problems? Do you text? Do you call them? Do you talk it out face to face in person?
What do you think is better? And you know, it is possible that you have a style but you want to inculcate the other style, or you have
maybe,
both of them.
Yeah, or maybe you have both styles. So
Comment below and let us know.
tell us. Yeah, I think that's it for today.
Yeah, and we really look forward to uploading more videos soon.
And I hope you like us. Our videos, sorry, I like us.
So we assure you we're damn funny, okay?
Yeah,
We're
our
really-
second video will be very funny.
Yeah, this
And-
was a little, you know, spreading positivity.
Yeah,
and
it was just our first step. So
I hope you really like us. And if you did like our video, give it a big thumbs up.
thumbs up.
Even though
Comment
we like
below.
Pepsi.
Just laugh.
Please laugh and don't hate me, please. Please don't hate me, okay? Please.
Comment
So,
below and
yeah.
let us know which is your style of communicating, and please subscribe to our channel.
Yay!
We'll be making a new video very soon,
Very
and
soon.
believe me, you'll relate to us a lot.
Hypothetical hug! Yay!